Forgot the administration account password? How to reset? Open PassFab for Winky on another computer. Plug in your USB. Select it. And click Next. It will warn you that all your data in the USB will be erased. Click Next to confirm. Once done, insert the burnt USB into your locked laptop. Restart the computer. Press F2 to enter BIOS settings. Use arrow keys to select boot. Navigate to boot option, UEFI, your USB. Press F10 to save and exit. Now, choose your operating system and click Next. Select your administrator account. And click Reset Account Password. Click Next. Enter your new password. Click Reset. Then reboot the computer. You can use the reset password to log in now.